Susan again. I'm just going out here, like looking at all this in a mall where there's a shopping place happening here. Yeah, so there's things happening here. We are doing a bit of shopping. There's sale going on here. So my name is Susan Robinson. This is my channel, and I thought I'll just bring out here so you can see what's happening. I've come into a mall, turn around, and I don't know what these are. These are for sale. These are for people who can't walk for long distances, so they have to buy these. I don't know what they're called. They're called for disability old people. Yeah, so that's it. I think this is the shop that offers it. It's called Ability Plus. Wait to. So let me go around. Nice, very nice to see all this. So let me flick so I can be seen. This is like a cancer research place where they sell like second-hand clothing, second-hand clothes. There it is, Cancer Research UK. Yeah, so that is it. As I said, these are all artificial flowers. They're not real flowers. They're really not good flowers. They're just plastic, but people do buy them. Because buying real flowers is very expensive, and as I said again, with a travel agency here, it's called Chase Travel. I'd taken it and then it flicked off. So, yeah. This is just a mall that people come to do shopping. Yeah, and a lot of places have closed down. That's where they sell second-hand. They sell like laptops. You buy. There is a jewelry place. Where they sell like jewelry, necklaces, and so forth. Okay. So apart from that, if I go out, sorry, I just like so I can like my picture of me can be seen. There you are. So this is it. It's just the place where I normally come on Sittingbourne to do some shopping and so forth. Yes, it's nice. So I said there's a jewelry shop. Let me show it for you. They sell like watches and so forth. Yeah. So just what I'll do, I'll just go into this shop. New look, I'll just go in, find anything for myself. Yes. See if I can see anything I can buy. This is expensive. Got P music I have to get out because I can get copyright. So just they got the music going on in this store. Sorry, I have to get out. Ooh, sorry. It's gonna be a music rights. It's just singing in the background. Yeah. Peacock. I hope there's no music here. This is a shop called Peacock. Let me see. There's no music here, so I'll just go in. Again, there's music. I can't believe it. It's just like I can't buy nothing. Yeah, there's too much music going on because this music can be in the background and can create me a copyright. So I'm not going to buy anything here because of the music copyright. So I just have to get out. Interesting, I can't do anything because everywhere there's this music. Thank you very much. So that's it. I've showed you part of that. So we'll just go around this way because the film went wrong. And I'm showing you part of Sittingbourne State. It's pretty. Got like a big travel lodge there. Yeah, so just going to go around and still show you parts of it. People are waiting for the buses. So people are waiting for buses. This is where they catch the buses to different destinations. So I'm just going to cross the road. Okay. So I had done this before, but I just thought, let me come around. Yes, we got this bar and cocktail lodge crossed there. It's an old-fashioned one. It's like done in the olden style of building. And this is where people just sit and like relax. This little like stone benches. It's like stone. Would call them stone rest places. Where somebody can just sit down and wait, especially when the sun is up. It's very relaxing. So this is it. So pretty. So just go around again to show you this part as I show. I'll flick the side so that at least I can be seen as well. Yes. Okay, it's looking good. Across we have, as I said before, we have a train station. There, it's a train station. It's actually a very important train station in Kent because Sittingbourne, Kent. Because we have one particular train, I think it goes all the way to France. It's a very fast traveling train. Those really, that one, that electrical, fast moving. I know the modern one. Then you just go out and just go around. Yeah, so this is it. I just flick. Yeah, so this is me again, just walking. This nice, amazing town. It's lovely. Yes, everything is beautiful about it. Yeah, there are other places we can go. It is not only this one. So yeah. It's nice. People are just having their dinner. People are just having a gathering, sitting under, they're like inside, like having tea or something. Yeah, it's very nice, and I'm just going to go around here. And you've got all these places. This is Nando's. You've got these places where people are having dinner and so on. Yeah, beautiful. So I'm just going to end my video here. So I just say thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Meet you in my next one. And please give me a subscribe or a thumb up. Bye.